Hey altcoin fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction on Karura's KAR token. And as always guys, hey, if you like the content, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description below. It's below the video. I'm pretty active on Twitter. It's fun to be on here. It's fun to make conversations with people and just talk about altcoins on a general daily basis. So if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow, and start chatting with me sometime or something. So, all right, guys, we are going to look into the long-term price of Karura today. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I am a long-term hodler, and I've been holding on to various coins for 5+ years. And I think, I think long-term with cryptocurrency. Every time a coin goes, every time my long-term holds go down in price, I buy more. If the funds are there. So, the overall goal here is to make money long term. I'm not really in it for the short term. I don't care about where the price is going to be in a year from now. I only care about where it's going to be 5 to 10 years from now. And I don't use technical analysis, because technical analysis can only tell you really realistically, where the trend is going to go short term. I mean, you can see where it's going to go long term, obviously up or down, but I mean, general 5 to 10 year long term, you can't really see where it's going to go in the long term. And obviously, you guys, you don't see a magic ball behind me. I'm not a magician. I'm not some kind of wizard, so I can't see the future either. So, but we can get a general idea for where the price might go in the future just by doing some basic math. So we're going to figure that out today. All right, guys. So currently the price of Karura is trading at $7.60 at the time of filming right now. It's got a market cap of 65.7 million, and it's got a circulating supply of 8.6 million. With a max supply of 100 million. So it's got a very low supply, which is good. Let's see here. It's got an all-time high of about $13.18, and I think it can go a lot higher than that long term. Now I'm conservative when I, since I'm throwing real money into these coins, you guys. I mean, I take this stuff seriously. So when I do these long-term price predictions, I do it from a very conservative perspective. Okay, I don't do this stuff I'm not going to sit here and tell you that Karura is going to go to $100 or anything like that, because that's not realistic, okay? I like to do this realistically because, I don't like to play with my money, okay? This is a long-term financial thing for me. So, let's see here. Obviously, in 5 to 10+ years from now, you guys, the circulating supply is going to be a lot more than where it's at right now. Currently, it's at 8.6 million. And I personally think, within 5 to 10 years from now, it'll probably maybe be at, it could be at probably like 20 million. So I'm going to go with the number I'm going to go with for my prediction today is going to be a circulating supply of 20 million. All right. And the overall market cap, I think the market cap could go roughly to, in all honesty, I think the market cap of this coin could roughly easily go to 500 million. No doubt. So we are going to see where the price would be if the coin went to a $500 million market cap with a 20 million token supply. All right, so guys, we've got 20 million. Let's see here. Whoops, press the wrong button. There we go, 20 million, and we are going to multiply it by. Let's see what the market cap would be if it went to with this supply, or if it went to $13.18 again. Whoops, lost my calculator. All right, so we're going to multiply it by $13.18. And we're going to come out to a $263.6 million market cap. Now, obviously, I think it's going to go to 500 or at least 500 minimum. So we can obviously go a little higher than that. Probably just under, let's see, that's 263 million. My prediction is 500, so that's a little less than that. So if we were to double that number, that'd be $26.36. So a little bit less than that. So we'll try with $23 real quick. So 20 million. Whoops. 20 million, and we are going to multiply that by $22. That comes out to a $440 million market cap. Okay, so a little bit higher. We'll try 25. 20 million times $25. All right, so there we go. That's the number I'm looking for, you guys. All right, so a $500 million market cap, that would put this coin at $25. Now, we are thinking long-term here. And again, you guys are going to be putting money into this coin. As a long-term holder, you put money into your coins every time they dip as well, if you have the funds for it. You don't just buy it one time and then hold and then that's it. You put more and more into it as it dips. Let's see here. If you were to put, a minimum investment of, let's say you really don't have very many funds and you're going to do this with $5,000, okay? So we're going to take $5,000 and we're going to divide that by $7.61. That would give you 657 coins, so 657. We're going to multiply that by $25. So at the end of that, guys, you're going to come out with, roughly an $11,000 what do you call it, return on your investment, which honestly in the crypto market, that in the crypto market, in crypto terms, that's really not that much. But I mean, again, guys, I'm being conservative here with my prediction. I mean, it could go a lot higher than that. I'm just saying from a very conservative prediction where I think it could go in 5 to 10 years, you'd come out with roughly an $11,000 return on your investment. And again, it would be more because you'd be adding more to it as the price goes up as well. So, or as the price dips in price as well. So, just keep that in mind also. But overall, guys, for the sake of, this video, I'm going to stick with my prediction of $25 in the long term, and we'll go from there and see where it goes from there. I mean, obviously, hey, this could hit this in the next bull run. Maybe 2 bull runs from now, it could go even higher than that. You really never know in the crypto market, and that's what's great about this stuff. So minimum, you guys, I think it can easily go to hit $25 in the long term. So that is my prediction for this video, and I will go ahead and wrap this up. So guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I'll go ahead and wrap things up. But again, hey, before you guys leave, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description below. And also, guys, hey, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And with that said, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.